What's up? I'm Allie Raymond, and this is your Social Minute, where we show you the best of what happened on social media this week. First off, the Browns are riding high after their big win last Sunday over the Bengals, and this Victory Monday was even more fun than usual. These fans were just as excited as defensive back Demarius Randall. Next up, this Browns fan tweeted out this week that if Baker Mayfield retweeted his tweet that his wife had agreed that they would name their unborn child Baker. And Baker, of course, obliged. Baker quote tweeted it with, "Can't wait to see a picture of the little man." We want to see him too. Make sure to send us pictures. And lastly, this week kicks off the first of 3 weeks for My Cause, My Cleats. 29 Browns players will be wearing cleats that represent causes and organizations near and dear to their hearts. Those are some nice looking kicks. I'm Allie Raymond, and this was your Social Minute.